What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts, coming to you on location from beautiful Navarre Beach in Navarre, Florida. Now, even though I'm on vacation, my mind never really leaves candle making. So while the family's off enjoying the surf and the sun, I decided to take a little bit of me time, make a real quick video, show you guys an awesome candle tree. Now, I don't have my full shop with me, but I've got a few supplies, and we're going to make great use of these beautiful natural elements around us. Now, you don't actually have to be on the beach to do this. You can just take a container of sand. But since I'm on the beach, we're going to do it right here. So let's go ahead and get started making our sand candle. So the first thing we're going to need is our actual mold. We're actually going to use the sand for that. So to do that, we're just going to dig out a nice hole. Then we're going to take our drinking glass that I stole from the condo. We're going to go ahead and put it in. Fill the sand in around it, pack it really tight. Now we've got a nice even hole, perfectly the size of this. Now, since we are out here on the beach, I've collected a few beach finds, just some awesome seashells that I found. What we're going to do with those, we're going to go ahead and poke those in the sand inside the mold. So that way, whenever the wax is poured and it's pulled out, half of the seashell is going to be inside, half of it is going to be poking out. So it's going to be like a nice little beach scene. Alright, now all that's left is to set our wick. We're just going to take a pre-tab wick, take the tab. We're going to put it down to the bottom. We're going to bury it just a bit. Now we need something to stabilize it. You can use a stick, whatever. I'm just going to use some utensils that I stole from the condo. Hopefully I remember to take these back up. Alright, so our mold is ready. Now all that's left to do is head back up to the condo, melt down our wax. I'll zoom in and let you guys check this out before we go. There you go. You can see I've just got a nice little even hole dug out. Got my seashell stuck to the side. Got my wick stabilized. That's our mold. We are ready to pour wax now. Alright, so we're back here in the condo just to melt down the wax. Wanted to do this on the beach, but of course there's no electricity down there, and you can't have open flames on the beach, so there's no way for me to melt this. So I came back up to the condo. We got this melted down. So just to recap what we've done so far, we've got our hole dug out in the sand. We've got our embed seashells put in. If you're not lucky enough to be on the beach, you can use just a container full of sand. Use your jar to make the hole. That'll work just as well, but since we're on the beach, figured I'd take advantage of it, have a little bit of fun while I was at it. So we got our wax melted down for this. We're basically making a pillar candle, so we want to use a paraffin pillar wax. For that, we've used a paraffin pillar from Rustic Essentials. You'll want to use a paraffin wax with a higher melt point. This one has a melt point of 150. Basically, the way it's going to work is whenever we pour the wax into our mold, or some of that sand's going to get embedded in the wax, and it's going to form like a crust on the outside of our candle. Using a paraffin wax with a higher melt point allows us to get it hotter, and it's going to make that crust effect a lot greater. So we've got our wax melted down. We're going to add some dye. We're going to use a royal blue. Hopefully it'll come out with a nice deep blue ocean color to go along with our beach theme. We're not going to scent this candle. Just because of the higher temperatures we're using, it's going to burn off a lot of the fragrance anyway. Plus, with all of the seashells and the sand, it's not going to have much of a cold throw to begin with. So we'd really just be wasting any fragrance we put in it. So we're going to go ahead and add our candle dye. Alright, now we're ready to head back down to the water, finish out our candle. Alright, so we're back down here at our mold. We're going to pour it just like we would any other candle. We want to pour it nice and slow, just make sure we don't hollow out a hole at the bottom of it. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour it like we would any other candle. Now we're just going to wait, let that cool. We'll be able to dig out our candle and see what we came up with. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. Time to dig up the candle and see what we came up with. There's our sand candle. We're going to take this back up to the condo, clean it up a little bit, let you guys have a final look. And here's our finished candle. Nice bed of sand and a few extra shells just for some embellishment. And there we go. That was it, guys. That's the sand candle. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that as much as I did making it. And like I said earlier, you don't have to be at the beach to do this, but it sure is a lot more fun. And speaking of the beach, you guys check this out. I'm heading back.